Today I am going to teach you a new chapter in MCB, The Sweet Sound of Success by Nandini Nayyar. Every child has some talent. It needs a good teacher like Mrs. Rajan to spot the talent and encourage the child. So children, you also have the talent. So what you have to do, you have to spot your talents, and for spotting your talents, your elders, your teachers are required for that. So now let's begin the chapter. Let's clap for early, Mrs. Rajan said, for telling us such a lovely story. The class erupted into applause. Everybody started clapping for early. And do you know there is one boy was there, and that boy was continuously busy. His name was Rishi. Sat bent over his notebook, his pencil moving across the page, and whatever the fuss was going on in the class, he was not bothered about it. Ali was there wearing a clown cap and sporting a silly smile. Mrs. Rajan was easily identified by large smile and a short hair sticking to her chin. Mrs. Rajan's voice washed over him, but Rishi was engrossed in his old world. So Rishi was the boy who was engrossed in his old world. He was not bothering what was happening in the class. So later, Mrs. Rajan was discussing about the school days, but Rishi was completely engrossed in some other things. He was drawing something. So Ali would be sure to do some story writing or short storytelling, Rishi thought, while his busy fingers shaped the new picture. So unfortunately, what happened, Mrs. Rajan came there and she saw that what Rishi was doing. She said that, "May I see your notebook, Rishi?" Mrs. Rajan said pleasantly, but Rishi heard the order in those words and handed the notebook over there. And that was it. Mrs. Rajan went back to the front of the class, continued the discussion about the play and dances, and it was with a heavy heart. Rishi was having a heavy heart. He was very much scared about it. He thought that Mrs. Rajan is going to beat her, scold her. Maybe his parents will be called, or something else will happen. Rishi knew what was coming. Mrs. Rajan would scold him for drawing in the class. She would talk about how badly he did in his test and exam. She would threaten to call his parents to have a talk with them. And somewhere along the way, she would remember that Riya was his sister. The next 10 minutes, Rishi was sure would be spent in telling how wonderful Riya was and what a good and sincere student, as if Rishi didn't know any of this things. So Rishi was very much upset. He thought that now his parents would be called, or he would be scolded very much by his parents or by his Mrs. Rajan, his teacher. So he was fully upset. So the next part of the video, we'll do it.